to guide me during my question and answer portion.
All right, Lord, baka naman. It is now time to pick a number from the bowl. All right, you picked number 16. Hashtag Filipino culture.
Hashtag Filipino culture reminds me of the rich culture of us Filipinos that need to be preserved and promoted. Because as a Filipino, our culture is not just inherited, it is practiced and shaped every day. To honor it, we must go beyond pride and make it relevant in how we live, create, and represent our communities. Because culture survives not by memory alone, but by the meaning we continue to give it. Damo nga salamat nga maupay nga gabi.